I've been exploring the PayRange mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. PayRange is a mobile payment app designed for people who use shared machines like laundry, vending, arcade, or parking and want to pay with their phone instead of handling coins or cash. It is especially handy in apartment buildings or campuses where many machines support the service. The core idea is simple. Once you are near a PayRange-enabled machine, you select it in the app and swipe to send payment from a stored balance, credit card, or Apple Pay. This can save time, reduce trips to get change, and make routine tasks like laundry feel more convenient. Many users praise how smoothly it works once set up and how it removes the hassle of quarters, which helps explain the high average rating of around 4.7 out of 5 from over 200,000 reviews. However, it is not without flaws. The app only works on machines that have PayRange hardware installed, so if your building or local machines are not enabled, the app is essentially unusable. Some reviews mention issues tied to the machines themselves or occasional service frustrations, and while these are not always caused directly by the app, they can still affect the overall experience. Overall, PayRange is a solid choice if you value the convenience of paying for everyday machines with your phone and you already have PayRange-enabled equipment nearby. If you are comfortable relying on a digital wallet and can accept the occasional hiccup or limited availability, it can make chores like laundry and vending noticeably easier. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.